Hey there, meteorologist Wes Wyatt in the Fox 6 Storm Warning Center. Hope you're having a wonderful Labor Day weekend so far. College football's back. We got a game on Fox 6 tonight, so we'll be on a bit later. But we'll be talking a lot about these storms that are firing up out there. We've got some strong storms at the moment at the time of this webcast update rolling through the area. In fact, you may hear a little thunder as I record this. We got had a couple of pops of lightning here on the mountain, so I'm going to be staying put here for a little while. Let's show you what's happening. Here's Viper. You can see those storms lining up there from right around the summit in the Cahaba Heights, Mountain Brook. Looks like the northern extent of this right there around Trussville, but Irondale getting a lot of lightning, and this storm now making that push closer to Grants Mill Road and making it on into the eastern portion of Jefferson County. But look at the lightning strikes, up to 73 chance. There's some large hail with this, about a 60% chance. You can see some of the parameters on the right-hand side of the screen there. But this is just one of many storms. Look to the south here, Clanton, all this cloud-to-ground lightning possible over towards southern Bibb County. Our friends in Centerville, and in fact, if you're watching us around West Blockton and Vance, I'd go ahead and start wrapping up anything you may be doing outside. These storms are approaching you from the south. And Fayette, a little bit of lightning. We had some stronger storms impacted this part of the state soon, but just a good soaking rain right now around Reform, Tuscaloosa County, Fayette. More storms here rolling into Winston County. Our friends around Addison, if you're watching us there around Vinemont, expect some of this lightning. Jasper, we got some cloud-to-ground lightning in the vicinity, and you know the drill. Anytime you hear thunder, you are within striking distance. So I'd make sure if you hear that thunder, it's time to head on in and wait on these storms to pass. They are moving north, as you can see here, so they're moving along at a fairly good clip, but it's nice to finally see some of this much-needed rain. Still can't rule out one of these flaring up to the severe level. In fact, it's not totally out of the realm of possibility that one of these cells could rotate. So that's why we're keeping a close eye on radar. We're in one of these tropically moist environments. Dew points are back in the 70s. You know, last week we had dew points in the 50s, and that has made a huge difference in how it feels out there. That 90 you see in Rockford and Alexander City, well, you know if you stepped outside today, it feels more like upper 90s, closer to 100. So let's talk about what's ahead for us. Now, tomorrow, I'm thinking that the coverage of storms is going to decrease. Now, you could wake up to a shower tomorrow morning. We may see a few scattered pop-ups during the afternoon, but watch what happens here. Kind of illustrated on the map. High pressure, the Bermuda high that we often see this time of the year, is going to tighten its grip. We'll see that high pressure center to the east of us, and it's going to build in here from the east, and that's going to basically put a lid on any widespread development tomorrow and into our Labor Day. So what we're going to do is drop that rain chance at 30% tomorrow, 20% on Monday. Now, having said that, keep an eye to the sky during the afternoon for one of those stray pop-ups, but the chance of rain, we're going to keep that in the forecast here for the next few days. Now, temperatures are going to take off a bit. We're talking about mid-90s by the mid-portion of next week, and even tomorrow, going with a max temp of 91 for that average high. Labor Day weekend here will take you on into Monday, and as we fire up the grill, maybe a stray shower or thunderstorm with that high around 94 degrees. Again, we're back after the big game. I believe we got USC on Fox 6 tonight, so you can catch us after that. If you have any questions about the forecast, you can find me on Facebook, facebook.com, Wes Wyatt Fox 6, or on Twitter at Wes Wyatt Weather. We'll be keeping a very close eye on things this afternoon, and do check in from time to time. If a severe warning pops up, we'll have our crawl going, or we may break into programming. Do join us on Fox 6.